Hey everybody, it's Scott, Simcoe Spring Service, and today we're hiring. We're looking for a licensed 310T technician who is certified to work in Ontario on transport trucks and transport trailers. So if you've watched my channel for a while, you see that we work on anything from pickups, and it'll come right out. And we're gonna come over here, we're gonna take it apart. Utility trailers, all the way up to transport trucks. And we are looking for a licensed 310T mechanic to fill a vacancy at our shop here. So most of the duties will include spring pins, bushings, shackles, hangers. We do a lot of air ride bushings, airbags, torque rod rebushing, and the sort. On the semi-trailers, we do a lot of bushing replacements. We also do a lot of beam replacements, stuff like that. So having experience welding would be crucial, but we have two welders here that can also weld, so it's entirely optional. We can also train you how to weld as well. So unfortunately, because we only have two bays and both our bays are different, you're going to be swapping between two bays constantly. And one thing you don't have to worry about is your tools, because all 100% of your tools and equipment will be supplied by us. All your coveralls, work boots, eyeglasses, PPE, safety protection gear, everything like that will be supplied by the company. The only thing you have to do is bring lunch and your first pair of work boots. We also have a little bit of medical, dental coverage and prescription drug plan available to you as well. And we also have the perk of having a slightly air-conditioned shop. We usually keep it around 21 to 22 degrees in here in the summertime, just to knock that heat out of the air. You'll be working over a pit. We do not have hoists here, and we also don't have a flat floor here. We have two pits. We have one drive-in bay, and we also have one pull-through bay. So the pull-through bay, we usually do most of our trailers in there, and the drive-in bay, we do all our trucks and dump trucks and stuff like that in there. Some of the other perks that you might consider is we don't do any diagnostics, so we don't do engine diagnostics, we don't do transmission repairs, we don't do electrical diagnostics or anything like that. We stick to suspension and suspension only. We do get into a little bit of brake removal and stuff like that depending on the job, but mostly we stick to pretty much just suspension repairs. So if you're looking for a more mechanically inclined job and rather than electrical, computers, and diagnostic, you can contact me, Scott, at simcoespring.com, or you can go to simcoespring.com on my contact page and email us and just cut and paste your resume in there and send it to me. It'll go directly to me. So there you have it. We have one position opening for a licensed 310T mechanic in Norfolk County, Ontario. We're about 10-minute drive away from Port Dover, about 45 minutes south of Hamilton. So if you're a local mechanic, come and apply. All right, have yourself a great day, and I'll catch you next time. All right, bye.